I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use vocal media. To begin, sign up for a free account and select a community that aligns with your content. There are over 30 communities, from geek to fiction. Next, familiarize yourself with the platform's submission guidelines to ensure your stories meet the requirements. This foundational step is crucial for a smooth publishing experience and helps you understand the platform's expectations for creators. Once your account is set up, focus on creating high-quality content. Develop unique ideas and strong narratives that resonate with your chosen community. Pay close attention to formatting. Use headings, paragraphs, and lists to enhance readability. Incorporate high-quality images or other multimedia elements to make your stories more visually appealing and engaging for your readers. A well-structured and visually rich post significantly increases reader retention. After crafting your story, submit it for review. Vocal's team typically reviews submissions within 24 to 48 hours. Once published, actively promote your work across various social media platforms to reach a wider audience. Don't forget to engage with your readers in the comments section. Responding to feedback builds community and encourages repeat visits. Consistent promotion and interaction are key to growing your readership. Vocal media offers several ways to earn. You can earn money based on the number of reads your stories receive, and readers can also provide direct tips. Participate in Vocal's frequent challenges, which offer significant cash prizes for top entries. For enhanced benefits, consider a Vocal Plus membership, which provides higher earning rates, exclusive challenges, and faster payouts. Many creators find Vocal Plus a worthwhile investment for maximizing their potential.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.